Hi, I'm Saima. I am the head trainer at CareCraft-Academy. This is my series about real-life challenges faced in the health and social care sector that sometimes individuals feel afraid to disclose. So one more thing before we start. We will be maintaining confidentiality, and we have gained permission from providers to utilise these scenarios to raise awareness and improve practices. During one of my Accredited Emergency First Aid at Work sessions, a member of staff informed me after each accident, they do not complete accident forms, nor do they document within the accident form if there are any injuries or if first aid treatment has been provided. The resolution that we sought during training was that if you are accessing a first aid kit, your team are not aware of what you've taken out of that first aid kit. So during a real life threatening situation, you may not have the resources available for you to provide first aid treatment. Once informing the customer and their workforce of the challenges and the consequences of not completing accident forms, at the end of that training, the manager provided me with a newly developed accident form, which staff were required to complete after each incident, whether or not there were injuries. Accident forms are a tool for the management team. They are able to identify patterns of incidents and accidents forming, and they are also able to put in place the resources that have been taken out of that first aid kit. So they are not left vulnerable during a real life threatening situation. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave me some comments below.